My name is Lori and I'm a 4-H educator in Monroe County for Cornell Cooperative Extension. Today, we're going to talk about some simple bike maintenance that anyone of any age can do. Maintaining the chain. The chain is part of the drivetrain on your bike. The drivetrain is responsible for taking the power from your pedals, giving it to the wheel to get you to where you want to go. The drivetrain is made up of many parts. Let's review the parts of a drivetrain. We have the crank. That's made up of the chain rings, the crank arm, and the pedals. We have the chain. We have the front and rear derailleurs, and the cassette. Today we're going to talk about how to clean and lube your chain. Regular maintenance of your chain can increase the lifespan of your bike. You don't need any special tools to do this. You just need some rags you don't care about, an old toothbrush, and any bike lubricant. Cleaning the chain. There are many special bicycle chain cleaning products out there, and there's chain cleaner tools. Today I'm going to talk about the simplest approach, using an old rag and a toothbrush. So, to clean my chain today, I'm going to just loosely grip my chain with this cloth and start backpedaling. This is so I can get rid of the dust and dirt on my chain. I'm only gripping the lower part of the chain. You don't even need a washcloth. You can use a sock or an old cut-up t-shirt. The toothbrush comes into play when you want to get into those nooks and crannies in your chain. So you can just, again, start backpedaling. Use that toothbrush to get over, hold it over the top of your chain. You can also use the toothbrush to clean your cassette. Just hold that toothbrush, start backpedaling, and you want to make sure to get each cog in the cassette. Look how dirty this toothbrush is. Now that we have our dust and dirt off our chain, it's time for lubricant. Applying lube to the chain. We're going to put our lubricant on the lower part of the chain, and we just really care about the center of the chain. We want to make sure those rollers get fully oiled. The outside of the chain actually doesn't need lubricant. So you've applied lube to your chain. The final step is to wipe off extra lube. So you can use a clean part of your rag to get off extra lube. We don't need the extra lube because all it's going to do is attract dust and dirt to your chain. Thanks for watching. Happy riding. Check out these resources for more information.